Welcome to the future of blending with BioloMix machines. These state-of-the-art devices combine power, efficiency, and versatility, making them essential for every kitchen. Whether you're crafting smoothies, soups, or sauces, BioloMix delivers consistent results every time. With intuitive controls and an ergonomic design, blending has never been easier. Experience the seamless integration of technology and functionality, and elevate your culinary creations like never before. Experience the power of healthy living with the BioloMix cold-press juicer. Designed for maximum nutrition and convenience. Featuring an extra-wide 130mm feed chute, this slow-masticating juicer easily accommodates whole fruits and vegetables. Engineered with advanced cold-press technology, it delivers a high juice yield while preserving essential nutrients, enzymes, and flavors. Its BPA-free components ensure your juice stays pure and safe for the whole family. Whether you're juicing apples, carrots, leafy greens, or even celery, the BioloMix juicer makes it simple, efficient, and mess-free. Enjoy a smoother, healthier lifestyle, one glass at a time. Experience barista-level precision at home. Unlock the full flavor of your coffee beans with the automatic Burr mill electric coffee grinder. Designed for coffee lovers who crave variety and precision, this powerful grinder features 30 adjustable grind settings, from ultra-fine for espresso to coarse for pour-over in American coffee. Equipped with a high-performance Burr mill system, it ensures consistent grinding without overheating the beans, preserving the aroma and taste. The transparent visual bean hopper allows you to see the grinding process in real time, adding a touch of modern elegance to your kitchen. Whether you're brewing a rich shot of espresso or a smooth pour-over, this grinder adapts to your style with effortless precision. The BioloMix CM7008 is a sleek, semi-automatic espresso machine designed for home baristas. Boasting a powerful 20-bar Italian-style pressure pump, it delivers rich, flavorful espresso topped with a velvety crema, professionally brewed right in your kitchen. Ensures optimal extraction by pushing hot water through finely packed coffee grounds, capturing rich flavors and aromas every time. A professional steam wand creates dense, creamy foam perfect for cappuccinos, lattes, mochachinos, or reheating hot chocolate water or tea. A transparent 1.6L reservoir makes refilling and monitoring water levels easy. Heat your cups before brewing to maintain the perfect serving temperature. The durable hot plate sits right on top, quickly preheats, puts you in control of shot timing and steam, and allows you to perfect your espresso technique. Includes removable drip tray, reusable filter, and detachable components for effortless maintenance. Looking for a high-performance blender that crushes ice, blends smoothies, delivers industrial-grade performance capable of effortlessly crushing ice, pulverizing frozen fruits, tough vegetables, nuts, and seeds. Ideal for everything from smoothies and milkshakes to nut butter and soups. Comes with a sturdy 2L Triton PET plastic container that's BPA-free. Lightweight yet durable, the conical shape promotes smooth circulation, helping ingredients flow evenly towards the blades for silky results. Features an integrated timer mechanism, set the time and walk away comfortably. Combined with stepless speed adjustment and pulse mode, it accommodates a wide range of textures from chunky to ultra smooth. This is an all-in-one unit: blender, mixer, juicer, food processor. It also handles dry grinding. Powered by 6 hardened stainless steel blades spinning up to $45,000 RPM, it tackles everything from ice to dry grains. Certified by CE, RoHS, EMC, and CB, meeting essential safety and emission standards. Built-in overload protection ensures the motor times out if overheated. Upon cooldown, it can be reset for continued use. Heavy-duty construction, ABS housing, and a metal-reinforced base. Come with up to a 7-year motor warranty and 1-year parts warranty. Take your culinary skills to the next level with the BioloMix 5th generation Sous Vide cooker, a powerful and precise thermal immersion circulator designed for home chefs and professionals alike. Crafted from premium stainless steel, this sleek device features Wi-Fi smart app control, allowing you to cook from anywhere with just a few taps on your smartphone. With IPX7 waterproof certification, it's built to withstand full water immersion, ensuring long-lasting performance and easy maintenance. The advanced smart app lets you control time, temperature, and cooking modes remotely, delivering restaurant-quality results every time. Whether you're preparing tender meats, delicate fish, or perfectly cooked vegetables, the BioloMix Sous Vide cooker ensures precise temperature control, locking in flavor, nutrients, and moisture. Its quiet operation, user-friendly interface, and robust performance make it a must-have addition to any modern kitchen. Fresh homemade bread made effortless, designed for both beginners. This sleek stainless steel bread maker from BioloMix delivers versatile home baking with professional style quality. The tempered glass lid lets you watch your loaf rise and bake, while the brushed stainless finish resists fingerprints, an elegant and practical kitchen addition. Bake 500-gram, 750-gram, or 1,000-gram loaves to suit your family's appetite or those meal prepping needs. Choose from a rich selection of cycles, including quick bread, whole wheat, gluten-free, jam, and more. Crust preferences range from light to dark, giving you full control over your loaf. A removable automatic dispenser releases add-ins at just the right moment for consistent flavor and texture in every slice. Reliable for intense kneading and baking, this motor ensures thorough mixing without overheating. Bring power, precision, and quiet performance to your kitchen with the BioloMix food stand mixer. Designed to handle everything from creamy batters to heavy bread dough, with a generous 6-liter stainless steel bowl, a durable 1200W DC motor, and a full set of versatile attachments. This mixer is the perfect companion for both daily baking and ambitious culinary creations. Engineered for performance with less noise, the direct current DC motor provides stable torque and smoother operation, perfect for early mornings or shared living spaces. Choose the ideal speed for your recipe. Slow kneading for dough, medium mixing for cake batter, and high-speed whipping for meringues or cream. Mix large batches with ease. Great for families or baking in bulk. The bowl features ergonomic handles for secure grip and easy pouring. A modern kitchen essential with a compact footprint and stylish look that fits any countertop. Make food prep faster and easier with the BioloMix electric chopper, a powerful and compact food processor designed for quick chopping, grinding, mincing, and slicing. With a durable 500W motor, sharp stainless steel blades, and a spacious 2-liter stainless steel bowl, this appliance is your everyday kitchen helper for meat, vegetables, nuts, herbs, and more. Elevate your home cafe experience with the BioloMix 5-in-1 LED milk frother, designed for coffee lovers who want rich, creamy froth at the touch of a button. Whether you crave silky hot foam for lattes or refreshing cold froth for iced coffee, this powerful and stylish appliance makes it easy. Intuitive touch interface with backlit icons for easy operation. Just one tap to your perfect foam or milk. Heats and froths milk in under 2 minutes with ultra-quiet technology. No more noisy mornings. Enjoy your favorite drinks all year round. From creamy hot lattes to refreshing iced cappuccinos, easy to clean with a durable non-stick coating, and included magnetic whisk attachments for both heating and frothing. Built-in safety ensures the device powers off when your milk or foam is ready. No supervision required. Cappuccino, latte, flat white, macchiato, iced coffee, hot chocolate or milk for kids, home baristas, office kitchens, or thoughtful gifts. Start every morning with pure, nutrient-rich juice using the BioloMix cold-press juicer. Engineered for maximum juice yield and minimal oxidation, this slow-masticating juicer extracts the best from fruits, vegetables, and leafy greens while keeping vitamins and enzymes intact. Operates at low speed, typically 80 RPM, to gently crush and press ingredients,